Charlie, who of course did the magic. I'm sure. Yes. Check out the finish. Check out the finish.
Put all this stuff in here.
Nice, 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 nice.
You have the task of putting them together.
Yeah, yeah. And of course, Sir Charlie is the man who made the decals for the cars.
Right.
So the cars you see around the city, riding up and down with Islandwide Express on it, this is the man behind the magic. Alright?
Great.
Now, that's the opportunity to big up Mr. Charlie as well. So we can tell you a little bit about your business.
Science by Charlie.
Yeah.
I'm on Instagram, Facebook, or you can just call me straight 310-7108.
Tell us where we can find you. Location.
10E North Avenue of Hudson.
So just mock up one of them for me so I can see how to put it on.
Okay.
Alright?
So you want to use the car?
Yeah, yeah man.